Barron, one of the founding partners at Brown Barron, a law firm specializing in nursing home abuse and neglect cases, as well as in medical malpractice and birth injury cases.
And I'm Brian Brown, the other founding partner at Brown Barron. And today we're going to talk to you about how long you have to file a case for nursing home abuse or neglect.
You've probably heard the phrase statute of limitations. That is a term that refers to a law that exists in every state that determines exactly how long you have to file a lawsuit. We handle cases throughout the state of Maryland as well as in Washington, D.C. And in both of these areas, the statute of limitations says that in order to file a case for nursing home abuse or neglect, you have 3 years from the date of the injury or from the death in order to file a case.
Now, 3 years sounds simple, but it's not. Now, there are several different kinds of cases that can be brought for nursing home abuse or neglect. One of them is the kind that's brought by the person who was injured or neglected. And that is relatively simple. It's 3 years from the date of the injury. But there's 2 other kinds of cases that can be brought. They're called survival actions and wrongful death actions. In a survival action, that case is brought on behalf of the person who passed away for that person's pain and suffering that they suffered as a result of the abuse or neglect, as well as the medical bills and funeral expenses and things like that that may have occurred. And that statute of limitation runs from the time the poor care started, which is earlier than the date that the person passed away. And when is that? It could be the very day that the person entered their nursing home, or it could be when the bed sore, pressure ulcer first started, when the person fell, but it's not simple and cut and dried. And the second kind of case is what's called a wrongful death case. And that case is brought by the loved ones who lost their loved one in a nursing home. And that could be a parent, could be a spouse, and it could be children. And the statute of limitations in those cases are from the date of the death of their loved ones. Now, what we just laid out sounds simple. 3 years is 3 years, but it's really not. And to find out if the statute of limitations, or what the statute of limitations is for your case, you should consult a law firm that specializes in nursing home abuse and neglect, like Brown Barron.
If you have any questions, any further inquiries about the statute of limitations or about nursing home abuse and neglect cases generally, please visit our website, call our office, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.